Hello everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I clearly have my GP Studio unboxing for the month of July. I'm pretty sure it's July, right? Because it's the end of July. I can never keep up with which month is which because you get charged for the previous month. You get charged the previous month for this month's box. So this is July's, right? Hold on. Okay, so this is July. Would you believe I'm a straight A student? Like I'm not a stupid person, but I can be so stupid sometimes. So anyway, let's crack this open. This is space galaxy themed. I've seen the sneak peeks and I'm pretty excited. It looks really pretty. Oh, okay. So they put my sticker order in here as well. Okay, that's handy. So this is the box. I do have my sticker order, my most recent order. So I'll probably show you guys this at the end. This was all bought with points, so I actually didn't spend any of my money on this. So no spend is still, you know, going great. I've actually been pretty good. I've been on a bit of a minimal spend, mainly just buying, like I have my subs obviously, and I bought a couple of little things, but obviously most of you are here for the unboxing of the box, so let's get into that. Oh gosh, I'm seeing prettiness already. Let's pull everything out. I've got to say, I've not really been into the whole space galaxy theme like everyone else seems to be, but this kit, when I saw the sneak peek, I just sort of went, oh, that's really pretty. I think I like it. And now that it's in front of me, I'm like, it's really, really growing on me. I really like it. Okay, zoom in a little bit and get started. So first we have this planner clip, and this is on a wide clip, which I'm a really big fan of. They just seem to stay in my planner a little bit better. Very cute, a light purple and light blues with like a galaxy print on it. Apparently this is their own custom design ribbon, which is a bit exciting. And then the glitter center on the nice wide gold paper clip, very pretty. Okay, next we have the pin, which is so cute. I'm not a pin person, I don't own any, but I have been eyeing off a Tender Designs pin that she brought out with her Botastic collection, which I'm hoping to snag at the Plan Market this Sunday if I can get my hands on it. And it's really pretty, and they're kind of growing on me, and I really love the colors in this. I have no idea how I would use it. I'm definitely going to be keeping it and trying to figure out a way to use it because I really like that. I hope we're not going to have focusing issues. My camera does seem to be struggling. It's getting a little bit dark now. Okay, so next we have the quote cards. Oh, and these are all hollow foiled. Oh, look at that. I don't usually like filming under artificial lights, but the reflection I'm getting off that foil is making it worth it. Okay, there we go. She loved life and I loved her right back. I'm doing the square ones first. I don't know why. I'm going to make everything around me beautiful. That will be my life. Grateful for where I'm at, excited about where I'm going. That pretty much sums up my whole life. You're made of stardust and wishes and magical things. It's just the border is foiled on that one. Feeling beautiful has nothing to do with what you look like, I promise. And then, oh, that one. Look at the stars on that. The foiling. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. Okay, next is the sticker kit. Very, very pretty. So you have our full boxes and our quarter boxes. When I say full boxes, they're more like half box decorative boxes. Sheet of deco, which is gorgeous. Quarter boxes, flags, have a trackers, headers, and a weekend banner. Some more decorative boxes, headers, and some flags, and that is incredible. That, like, it's not glitter, but it looks so real. That's really cool. Oh, and that, oh, that's so pretty. Wish these were available on their own. I'd buy like 10 sheets of those as glitter headers. I love this functional deco sheet. And these are actually washi strips, and then you have some mini checklists, some mere little things and some more little flags, date covers, icons, and some extra deco, and then your divider tab stickers. Then we have a sticker album. Now, I had a few people comment on my last unboxing video that it annoys them that they get these every month because they don't know what to do with them. And I'm always hanging out every month for these because I'm constantly finding new things to use them for. So I'm like, hurry up, I need another one. So I am going to be doing a video once I get all my like ideas and I suppose my filming schedule in line ready to do it. But I am going to do a video on different ways that you can use these because a lot of people seem really stumped, and they're just so versatile and they're so well made. They're really, really nice, like heavy material. The clasp is good quality. They're printed on the inside and the outside, which I love. And there's like plenty of leaves in here. Leaves in here. I just find these, and they're so pretty. They look so nice on my shelf. It's different kinds of storage, and I can't be happier that they include one of these every month. True to form, this is going to be another video where I say pretty and cute about a million times. Okay, so die cuts I'm just going to sort of lay out and speed through as I usually do. Those are all really pretty. I am a really big fan of the florals. I really like these, the glitter hands. I love this dress and the heels. I know some people aren't a fan, but I actually really like fashion girls. Not a big fan of the headless ones. They creep me out a little bit, but like these girls, I love those. I love this girl with her, oh, that dress is just so, so cool. They just make me feel happy to look at. I love those florals. This is cool. It's like a bath with a galaxy in it, but doesn't that just remind you of like a Lush bath? Next we have the divider tabs. There are 6 designs, 2 of each. As usual, I'm just going to lay them out. These are really pretty. I just love these like blues and purples with the navy. It's just very pretty. And these are pretty cool because they're cut kind of different so that when you fold them it makes like a shooting star shape. So you have the star at this end and then like the tail. That's just so cool. I love little touches like this. Next is the sticky notes, and these are like just a big planet with that hollow foil ring, nice and big, quite a big sticky note, so that's really handy. I'll definitely get a lot of use out of those. Then we have a notepad in what appears to be a standard size, to fit a standard size TN. I'm definitely a bit too big for my little personal size, so I will probably be destashing this. I mean, you can use these for notepads, but if I'm gonna have like a notepad, I prefer it just to be like a leafed pad that I can flick through, not like a booklet. But I'm sure there is someone I know with a standard TN who can use this because it's very pretty, just not my size. Next is the washi, which of course I'm going to open because I am keeping. Okay, so there we go. There's the washi. Light blue and light purple with white and gold stars. So there you can see it's the light purple, it graduates into the blue and then back out to the purple, and you have the like gold glitter. It's not really glitter, it's like a glitter effect, and then the white stars. Very, very pretty. Okay, next up we have this pen, and this is just incredible. There we go. Look at that glitter. That's incredible. Oh, that's so pretty. And it's a white barrel and gold hardware. Look at that when you tilt it. That's so, so pretty. Like, I can't even describe to you how sparkly this is. That's just incredible. And like, you guys can tell I like me some glitter. That is just gorgeous. That's going straight in the pen cup. Okay, so papers. 6 papers, 3 different designs, 2 of each as per usual. This is like a geometric sort of triangular print with some hollow foil, which is really pretty. And then the opposite side is a clouds and rain. Okay, next we have this planet paper, and this is all hollow foil as well. I cannot get over that hollow foil. It is just incredibly pretty. And then this side is just like a constellation print with some more faux glitter. Very pretty. I like both of those. And then we have this star pattern. This is very similar to the washi. Actually, I think it's exactly the same sort of pattern as the washi, so I like that a lot. And then this side is kind of like, okay, like grass seeds. And we have the vellum, which is like a super like planetary nebula cloud sort of vellum. Very pretty, happy with that. And then the acetate, which is mostly clear. It just has very light moon phases. You can probably see that better on my, that light's really reflecting off the acetate, but you can probably see that better on my background. It's like the phases of the moon, from blue to purple. Pretty happy with this box all around, to be honest. It's a lot prettier in real life than I thought it was going to be, and I thought it was going to be nice. When I first saw the theme of this, I just went, oh, Galaxy, no, it's not something I'm super into. I'm probably gonna destash most of that. And then I went and watched Gabby's unboxing, or Gabby's reveal, and sort of thought, oh, it actually looks really nice. I probably will keep it. Real trouble getting these papers back in. Come on, there we go. I probably will keep it. Maybe I'll find something to use it in. And now like the more I saw it, the more I liked it. And I was pretty excited to receive it. And now I have it. I really, really like it. So I really have to keep it and use it now. Now I do really want to show you these stickers, but my bub is having a bit of a whinge fit in there, as you can hear. So I'm probably going to go have to get myself a little helper for the end of this video. Okay, turn him out. Okay. I'm back with my little helper. Okay, so first off we have our freebie, which has on it quite a few of icons, quite a few of the icons that I've already purchased, which is really good and useful for me. Little Traveler's Notebook, the work laptop, payday, water plants, love the Raskog and the desk. That's really handy. Nice big sampler too, very generous. Next, I ordered 3 of the water plants sheets. I just really like this. I like that it's a white pot. Well, it's kind of marble effect. I don't know if you can see that, but mostly white. The green isn't bright green. It's quite subdued, and the script is just a nice black font. I have indoor plants. I have a lot of them, and I have quite a few outdoor plants as well. So I'm watering plants a lot, and most of the like plant icons I have are very bright green, or they just, I don't know, they clash. I want something that will go with my spreads, and these do. I also grabbed the September monthly kit. This is beautiful. It's very pretty, and then you've got like this sort of coffee theme in it as well. It's pinks and purples, but it's kind of like warm tones, and it's just really, really pretty. Actually, as soon as I saw this on the website, I jumped at it because I knew I wanted it. I really, really like that kit. I was going to pick up the October one as well, but I was actually very kindly gifted a October kit from another store, so I don't need it anymore, but the October one's very pretty too. Then I got some of the work/laptop girls. This is Alice, so she's the light skin brunette girl, and it's just a girl on her laptop. I do a lot of work on my laptop. I study on there a lot, and I edit and work from home, so I do quite a, I'm always sitting on my laptop. Then I picked up 4 sheets of a kit. I am an TN. I do use dailies, but I do white space, so I don't need a full kit. I never use a full kit. So if I can pick up a la carte and try to save a few dollars, I am trying to do that lately, and I am kind of enjoying it. This is the Country Living kit. This is a 4-box sheet. You get 9 full boxes. She has actually, I think this is reformat. I do remember seeing on her Instagram that she had reformatted. So now these sheets are bigger. You get a bit more in each sheet, which is really nice. So it's gone from 8 full boxes to 9. We've also got some sort of header strips down here, which is always handy. Then we have our box sheet. So this has got quarter boxes, a ton of half boxes. So there is 12 there, which is more than enough. And then also some little things. I really like that they're like asterisks and then alarm clocks, because they can be used for anything really. The meals I just tend to cover. I don't use them as meals. I tend to cover them up with little icons, but they come in really handy. Now you may notice I've done something a little odd. This was completely intentional. So everything is in vinyl matte except this one sheet. So this is in premium matte, and the reason for that is because it's all stuff I'm going to write on. I do prefer to write on matte, premium matte. I'm not too fussed whether it's premium or not, but I do prefer to write on matte stickers. If I don't have the option, I will just get a vinyl. So I don't mind writing on vinyl, but I do prefer to write on matte. And since I got all these a la carte, I figured I may as well get the one sheet that is going to be completely written on in premium matte. And I don't think you can really tell the difference between the finishes. Like, I certainly can't just by looking at it, a little bit by feel, but once I've, you know, written on them, I'm not going to be sitting there like patting my planner. I do that while I'm planning, but not when I'm actually, you know, when all my stickers are down and I'm just writing in it. So anyway, moving on. So obviously I got the full boxes in vinyl, because I like vinyl's just awesome to use. I like being able to sort of peel it up a bit and reposition it easily without having to worry about my page ripping. So then we have the functional set. So this comes in a set of 2 sheets. We've got flags. We've got a weekly box. Also have some quarter boxes. I really like these sort of little boxes. They're kind of like sticky notes. They're pretty cool. Some little push pins, which is really awesome. Teardrops and hearts and flags. I really like having a mixture of these sort of things, like not just all one like giant flag. I like having this mixture. I tend to like to like mix up sizes and shapes in my planner. What are you doing? Haven't habit trackers, headers, and some little icons. And then you have your to do and today headers and some sort of just glitter headers, appointment style labels here, some build dues, some functional deco, 2 weekend banners. And that's really good because I know a lot of people do like to stretch their kits out over a couple of weeks. So she's included 2 weekend banners so that if you do get the full kit, or even if you just get, you know, the functional set, if you're not someone who likes to use a lot of stickers, you can stretch it out over 2 weeks. So I think I just paid shipping for this order, so that's really awesome. If you have just been shopping on their Etsy shop, I would suggest you stop doing that. I would suggest you go over to the website because they have a better selection. They have an awesome reward system. So I got $35 voucher for all these stickers for free, and that's just from subbing to the box. I get points every time my auto payment for the box comes out, and the points accumulate, and there's my voucher. So I just got a stack of stickers for free, which is awesome. And I would suggest that you do that for any shop that you shop at. If they also have a standalone website, definitely check out the website because they tend to have better rewards. The prices tend to be a bit cheaper because the fees, Etsy's fees are just ridiculous now. So it's better for the store owner. You get more rewards. You get generally a better range. It's just better all around really. So that is it from me today. I really hope you enjoyed watching us. I hope you enjoyed the little cameo appearance from Little Violet down here. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell notification button, and we will see you in my next video. Bye guys. It's not focusing. What? Oh, you're fine. You're smiling. How can you smile and whine at the same time? You just want cuddles all the time, don't you? Yeah. I'm doing like the beauty YouTuber thing. No, it doesn't work. Oh, lordy. Oh, dear. And I did get these in vinyl, even though I will be running on some of these, but I really don't mind them.